Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to book a flight or choose a flight to book in your Ryanair. Of course, you need to be logged into your Ryanair account. And once you are here, by default, it's going to be on flights, right? So it says here from to pretty much the standard with any other booking or airline website. So here, just choose wherever we are going to depart from. So we have that, right? There we go. And then so say we're going to go to Austria, for example, and then just pick an airport. Do that. Choose the date. Say we're gonna leave May 3rd, all the way to May 30th, right? And you can choose adult, teen. So just one adult. Click done, and then all you need to do is click on search. By clicking search, you agree to the website terms of service. There you go. Click search, and you're gonna see all the available flights, best flights for you. And as you can see here, it's just gonna show you the best deals. So we're gonna choose this, select this. There you go. Select this. Continue with basic for 107.98 pounds. There you go. And we're just gonna go with continue with basic. There you go. And then enter passenger, right? Your title, first name, last name. If you want to click on save to my Ryanair. There you go, click continue. And this is pretty much straightforward. It's the same way as checking out and the other travel.com, trip advisory, so on and so forth. Make sure that you have included a payment method, your credit card, debit card, or bank account on your account here. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.